Hey my friends, Sam Haymart with Test Driven TV. This year at the SEMA Show in Las Vegas, Toyota stepped it up. They had a big new booth, lots of show cars, SUVs, and trucks, but none of their concepts was more important than the Trailhunter concept. This year at the SEMA Show, Toyota took on a dominant role as the major manufacturer of record, taking over and sprawling into the large space where Ford used to reside, as the Blue Oval was notably absent this year, having bailed out of the SEMA Show. Marking the occasion to take over the most prominent location at the Las Vegas Convention Center was a cavalcade of Toyota show cars and concept vehicles, the centerpiece being the Toyota Tundra Trailhunter concept. You see, Toyota has awoke to the fact that the overlanding crowd wants more, a lot more, and they seemingly have the money to pay for it. And Toyota no more wants to be only in the game of providing a blank canvas to creators and builders. No, they want to build it themselves. Enter the new Trailhunter purpose-built overlanding trucks that Toyota plans to begin offering. Fully outfitted overlanding rigs, engineered, designed, and built straight from Toyota, backed and warrantied by Toyota, and financed by your local Toyota dealerships. With a laundry list of mechanically engineered hardware and accoutrements, Toyota is planning to offer purpose-built trucks and SUVs as the newly named Trailhunter trim grade that will serve as a flagship offering. Furthermore, a complimentary line of Toyota genuine and associated accessory products will be available to augment the vehicles through Toyota dealerships. Toyota says the Trailhunter trucks and SUVs will be highly capable, specifically designed overlanding rigs. The Toyota Tundra Trailhunter concept showcases a number of potential products, modifications, and equipment that will encompass the Trailhunter brand. To start with, underneath are a number of comprehensive suspension upgrades from custom control arms to springs and shocks, all with the Trailhunter logo. Skid plates range underneath front to back. Custom steel bumpers are also added, yes, and a major lift kit as well. On the concept are also concept roof rack and rear bed racks set up to mount a lot of custom lighting, a rooftop tent, and lots of other camping gear, including a refrigerator. Of note, the racks and gear are all designed with the structural integrity of the Tundra and Tacoma's composite cargo boxes in mind. The concept also features Trailhunter graphics and design elements everywhere you look. Then there's the Trailhunter badge, resembling a compass to reinforce that the journey is the main purpose. That's Toyota's marketing lingo there. Get used to it, as it'll be on everything they build. As Toyota told me, the Tundra Trailhunter concept is just a sampler. Over time, they intend to bring the Trailhunter treatment to other vehicles in the lineup, most likely the Tacoma and the Sequoia at first, and others where the opportunity presents itself. And where those opportunities present themselves, well, I mean, the 4Runner seems natural for this kind of thing, but its future right now is kind of in question, right? You know, when's the next one coming? So obviously a next generation 4Runner would be an ideal place to put this, something a little more compact and befitting of what a lot of the overlanding crowd likes. They don't necessarily go for these big giant trucks 100%. It makes more sense if you're out there in the wilderness with something a little more compact. I digress. Very impressed nonetheless. Trailhunter, get used to it. You're going to see it in the future, and that's why it was the most important vehicle at the Toyota booth. It's because it's telling of what's to come. This is a concept that we're actually going to see in production. Mark my words. So that said, we saw a lot of stuff at SEMA this year. It was a good show. You can see all of our SEMA show coverage right there. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel right there. Either way, stay tuned.